So what does it really mean to think global but train local? Today, we're going to dive into a new model for tech education that's kind of flipping the whole system on its head. We're talking about who gets access to top-tier skills and how. It's really all about knocking down old barriers to build something that's, well, truly borderless.
Let me ask you something right off the bat. Do you ever feel like your location is holding your career back? Like all the best opportunities, all the really elite training is happening somewhere else, far away from you? You know, it's a super common frustration, but it's one that's finally being tackled head-on.
I mean, for the longest time, this was just the reality of the situation. If you wanted the best of the best training, you pretty much had to be in a handful of major tech cities. It was this sort of geographical lottery, and honestly, it left a massive amount of talent just sitting on the sidelines. But what if we could change all that? That's the whole idea behind this new mission. It's designed to solve that exact problem by turning that old model completely upside down. And the goal? Well, it's simple, but it's also incredibly ambitious. To democratize high-level cloud expertise for everyone, everywhere.
The whole philosophy boils down to this one phrase: think global, train local. It's a simple idea, right? But it's so powerful. It's about tapping into a global standard of excellence, but delivering it with local accessibility. We need to stop moving people to the training and start bringing the training directly to the people.
So what does democratizing expertise actually look like in practice? Well, it means that world-class, enterprise-level cloud education is no longer locked behind your postal code, or your background, or even your time zone. It's all about prying that door open for anyone who's got the drive to learn.
Okay, so that's the big mission. But you know, a mission is nothing without the right tools to back it up. So, how is this actually being done? Let's take a look at the toolkit that's being built to make this whole thing a reality.
And the approach is really comprehensive. This isn't just about some pre-recorded videos for one platform. No way. We're talking about live, hands-on training across the big three: AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. It also digs into these super crucial specializations like security and optimization. And the whole point is to build a global community that creates real, tangible, local impact, whether you're an individual learner or an entire company. And here is the absolute game changer. This is not just some massive library of videos you scroll through. The training is delivered live. That means you get real-time interaction, you can actually ask questions and get answers on the spot, and you're engaging directly with instructors. All of it brought right to your screen, no matter where on Earth you are. So, okay, it sounds great in theory, but is this mission actually working? Is it really reaching people all around the world? Let's take a look at the mission in action, because the numbers, well, they tell a pretty amazing story.
Over 40, that's the number. The number of countries where professionals are already taking part. And listen, this isn't some future projection or a 5-year plan. This is what's happening on the ground today. That one number represents a huge, tangible shift in who gets to access world-class education.
And this really gives you a feel for just how diverse this community is. I mean, we are talking about professionals connecting from North America and Europe all the way to the Middle East, Africa, and Southeast Asia. It really has become a truly global classroom. I love this phrase because it makes that huge global scale feel so personal. It connects real cities and real people. This isn't just data points on a map. It's a living, breathing network of ambition, stretching all the way from Karachi to California and from Cape Town to Toronto. And that really gets to the heart of it, doesn't it? The skills that you need to succeed in the cloud are universal. They are not confined to one country or one continent. So if the expertise itself knows no borders, why on earth should the training? All right, so we've seen this incredible global mission and the community that it's building. And now, the story comes back to you. This is really a direct invitation, and it doesn't matter where in the world you're tuning in from. The door's open. And this is about more than just taking a course. It's an invitation to join a global movement that's making expertise something that's genuinely accessible to all.
So, if this idea of learning without borders resonates with you, if it sounds like what you've been looking for, you can check out the global training community for yourself at CloudSpecX.com.
We've seen that skills and knowledge can and absolutely should cross any border. So the final question is really for you. We know expertise is limitless. Are your ambitions?